Hello and welcome back to the Berdu channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create a ghost site navigation bar for your website. This design will make your navigation blend seamlessly with the background image or other page elements. It's really easy. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu channel, click the like button below, and turn on the notification bell as well. First, from your website's dashboard in Berdu, go to the layout. You can apply this to either the main page or custom pages. Let's say I'm going to do it on a custom page. Select the page you want to edit and click Edit. Alright, this is the additional page we're going to edit to create the ghost navigation design. In this section, I have also added a parallax effect. It allows you to create a scrolling effect with different speeds from other content when scrolling up or down, creating a unique depth impression. Do check out the link below if you're interested in parallax effects like this. Now, we need to edit the navigation section, which is this one. But keep in mind, this is the master navigation, meaning any changes here will affect the main page and any other custom pages that don't have custom navigation added. So you could just immediately edit this default navigation here. But if you want the ghost navigation design to be specific to this custom page without affecting other navigations, we need to create a custom navigation bar only for this page. We can add a new navigation section, or we can copy and paste the master navigation section. Drag the duplicated navigation to the top, and then hide the master navigation by clicking the eye icon here. Now click the Settings button on the custom navigation. If you still want to make any changes to the design, click the Change button. There are many design options available. For example, I'll use the static metallic design. Once finished, click Done. At this point, you can make several adjustments, such as resizing the logo to ensure it's not too large. Then go to the Display section. Now change the position setting here to floating. Then change the background type to solid and set the color to transparent. Click Done. The design should look like this now. Since the navigation blends with the background, we need to make a few adjustments. For example, let's change the text color to white to make it more readable. Also, for the hover text, let's change it to match the website theme. Then change the shadow to none. When finished, click Done, Save, and view the page. Here's how the final look of the ghost navigation bar we've just created for our website. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Like this video and subscribe to the Berdu channel for more tutorial videos. Also, don't forget to follow Berdu's social media accounts for more interesting content. See you!